Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm back with another Redis tutorial in Laravel. So today we are going to see list data type. So let's get started with today's video. So list is basically linked list of strings. So these are ordered collection of strings. So list in Redis operates like from head and tail. So that's why it's linked with linked list. So here you can push or pop items from both ends, trim based on offset. So let's see basic list of commands that you can run. So lpush, rpush, these are from like right and left. You can use to push any element in the list. Lpop and rpop to remove. Lrange is to get some elements of the list, and index is to get a particular item with that index. Lrem also is to remove, and len is to return the length of list. So now let me show you documentation. So you can go to Redis official site and see documentation. So here you can see all the commands: lpush, lset, ltrim is there, or rpop. So all those things you can go and check which command you need to use. So now let's see basic commands in example. So now let's first push one element in a list. So write redis lpush, and now add one key, let's say list example. So now let's push one array inside that. So write test, then write list, and now let's print this. So write dd, write redis, and here we can get lrange. So lrange you can get the like some elements if you want to get, so you can use lrange. So here write list example key first, and then starting element and ending element. So key I'm passing 0 to 1. So now let's check in browser. So here you can see two items has been added to list. So now let's see and get this 0 to let's say 5. Save, and now let's go and again check. So here you can see now, okay, so I have refreshed 2 times. So every time it's adding those items to list. So make sure whenever you are pushing to list that is in like proper conditions. It should not add every time. So now let's see lpop. So write correct lpop, and then here you need to pass count basically that how many elements you want to remove. So just let's write 5. So now let's check, refresh. So one element, and now again refresh, empty list. So now let's again push some element in list. So now we are using this time rpush. So I'm just writing same only test and example. So now again refresh. So two elements added. Now let's check length. So for length we have len. So remove these values. So now we need to print this. So just replace the bottom one dd. So here write, just paste, and now let's check. So here you can see now two items we have in our list. So next now let's see lindex. So just remove this len to lindex, and now let's get any index. So let's see 0, and now let's go and check in browser. So test, you can see it's printed as that was on 0. So now let me just print complete list only once and then check which is there at 0 index or. So with print ln I'm printing, remove bracket after 0, something is missing. Okay, bracket, second bracket also. Now refresh. So now you can say list and add index which element is there. So now let's get one index and now refresh. So now you can see we can getting example. So now let's get one element that is not there in list. So that will be null. So now if you want to, let's say, replace any item at particular index, so that you can use lset. So write redis lset, pass key list example, and let's replace one index with lset value. So now remove extra bracket, and now let's print this below lset as element will be replaced. So now let's check. So here you can see now at first lset is there. So you can also add a particular element at a particular place. So you can do that using linsert. So you need to pass parameters. So first is before or after you can pass, and then value you need to pass, that after which value you need to insert, and then pass your new value that you want to insert. So I have inserted example before lset. So now you can see first index is example and now lset is shifted to second. So that's all in this video. I've shown you some basic list commands, so you can go and explore more commands whichever you need. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.